Hello friends, welcome to Gone Traders Hub channel. Let's start our stock analysis for tomorrow, 25th of January 2021. Let's start with the Nifty. This is the daily chart of Nifty. I have drawn the price channel in the daily chart. It is last time. It has had a breakout in 28th of December and it went up. And last time when the market is came down, it taken the support and it's moved up. And this time it is just above the price channel. We should watch for tomorrow whether it may take the support or not. If it is taking support, it may go up, go to 15,000, 15,600, or if it is getting inside the channel, then it will again start hovering around the within the channel. Okay, let's move to 5-minute chart. Okay, before going to 5-minute chart, I have drawn the trend line on hourly chart. It is taken the support on Friday. We should watch whether it is breaking down and it is going down, or it will take the support and it will go up. And there are two gaps are still pending in the hourly chart, 13,770 level and 13,625 level. So it may fill if the breakout is coming, breakdown is coming, and if the break 14,250 level. So until that we don't have much problem. Even we have one more gap here, 14,205. So we should watch all these levels to uh, think about the Nifty, whether it will break the lower side or it will take the support and going to 15,000, 15,600. Okay, let's move to the 5 minutes for our intraday perspective. So as per the Nifty, it is taken the support. We should look for the swing formation near to 14,400 level. If the any swing formation near to 14,400 to 1430, we can look for the long. If the breakout comes, we can have the target of 14,490, 14,520 level and 14,550 level. Suppose if it is a breaking the low of 13,356 and stay below for 5 minutes, we can also see 14,280, 14,250 and 14,203 level for tomorrow. Even in the worst case, we can also see Nifty may test 14,161. Okay, then we move to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, this is the hourly chart of Bank Nifty. I have drawn the horizontal support area and also I am drawn the falling trend line. It is coinciding around the square number 3976 level. I expect uh, Bank Nifty may take the support in this area and, and it may go up. If it is breaking this level, we may see 3445 and 29,950 level. I expect this is a remote chance. I expect it may take the support tomorrow and it may go up. So let's move to the 5 minutes for the intraday perspective. So if it is taking the support around 3976, just look for the swing formation in this area. If the breakout is coming in the upper side, you enter the trade with the target of 31,329 and 31,585. And the very rare case, we can also see 31,684 level. So this 31,585 act as a strong resistance for tomorrow. Suppose if it is breaking the lower side 3976, or we can also mark this level 31,123 to 3100. If below we can see 3976, and if it is breaking these two trend lines together and it is closing for 5 minutes, we can also see 3445 and 3700, 3445 and 3200 level for tomorrow. Let's move to stocks. I have shortlisted Bajaj Auto, Reliance, Bharat Forge, L&T, Lupin, Naukri, Kotak Bank, Apollo Hospital, Bata India, Grasim, IGL, Jubilant Food, Sun Pharma, and Wipro. Let's see which is for the long and which is for the short side. Let's go through one by one. So yesterday, Jub Bajaj Auto given a wonderful rally around 10 to 11 percentage, and the last hour it is had a consolidation near to the square number 4096. So what we can expect tomorrow above 4130, we can see 4160, 4191, and 4225 level. This will may act as a strong resistance. If suppose it is closing above, we can also see 4290 level. Reliance. Reliance, it given a wonderful result as per the media news. So, but I have marked both aside. So, what we can expect tomorrow above 2078.6, we can see 2092 and 2116 level. And if it is closing above, we can also see 2162. It's a remote chance, but we will mark these levels. Suppose it is a breaking the lower side 2035, we can see 2025, it may act as a strong support. If it is breaking and closing for 5 minutes, we can see 2001.75 and 1980.5 level for tomorrow. Bharat Forge. Bharat Forge, it is given a very good weekly close above 625, and it is also hovering around over the reference price of 632.9. My expectation is tomorrow above 635.1. We can see 645, 650.5, and also we may see 658. Suppose if it's a remote chance, but we also mark this level. Suppose it is breaking 619, we can also see 608 and 600.5 level for tomorrow. LNT, LNT, it have a very good consolidation last hours, and it given a breakout last minute, last 5 to 10 minutes, and it is closed near to the square number 1369. So my expectation is tomorrow above 1374 to 1375 for 5 minutes close. We can see 1390, 1390, 1396 and 1406 level for tomorrow. And Lupin, it is had a long consolidation near to our reference price, and it is closed well above the reference price. So, and it is just topped with the square number 1089. So my expectation is tomorrow, if the Lupin is breaking 1089 to 1090.5 level for 5 minutes at the upper side breakout, we can all see 1107, 1122.5 level for tomorrow. Naukri. Naukri, it is not at all reacted for our market correction. So it is just consolidating near to the square number 5329. So what we can expect above 5376, we can see 5402, 5456 and 5476 level for tomorrow. Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank, before going to 5 minutes, I want to check the hourly chart. So hourly chart of Kotak Bank, it is having the two support area near to around 1806 level. So my expectation is tomorrow it may take the support again in this area and it may go up. If it is taking support, you can enter the trade. So how do we enter the trade in the support area and the resistance area? I already have the YouTube video created. You can check that video to know how to enter the trade in the support areas. Mm. Again, I'm repeating here, you can just find the 5-minute swing formation near to this area and you can enter the trade. Or you can find the strong green candle after the touching this area and you can buy above the green candle high. There are two possibilities. You can check the video, it is more clear to understand. So now we move to the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart. So suppose if it is taking support here itself, it may bounce. What we can expect above 1852, we have a very good upside move in the stock. So above 1853, we can see 1865 and 1880 level for tomorrow. If it is breaking this low of 1822, we can see 1816 level. If suppose it is withstand below this level, 1800 level, we can see 1780, 1764 level for tomorrow. I expect this is a very remote chance, but let's have a note down all these levels. Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital, it is just hovering around the square number 2601. So my expectation is tomorrow below 2583 for 5 minutes close. We can see 2560, 2550, 2535 level. If it is breaking the upper side 2620 level, we can see 2637, 2652 level. Bata. Bata India, it is broken the hourly trend line and it is closed below this, and trend line breakdown also. It is not yet confirmed the trend line. Yeah, it is not confirmed yet the breakdown in the trend line because the breakout confirmation is not came. So, but we mark this level. So what we can expect tomorrow below 1560.5 level, we can see 1547 and 1528. If this is looks like taking the support, what we can see above 1580, we can see 1587. This is the reference price for tomorrow. It may act as a strong resistance. If it is sustained above, we can see 1600 and 1607 level for tomorrow. Grasim. Grasim hourly chart, if you see, it is broken the trend line, and if this is the double top level of in the hourly chart 990.85, suppose it is breaking the lower side 990.85, it in hourly it will confirm the double top formation. So what we can expect tomorrow below 990.85 for 5 minutes close, we can see 981 and 965 and 961 level. It may retest this level like back. IGL. IGL tomorrow, it is closed well below the reference price of 537, but yesterday in the morning it taken the support of 529, the square number. So my expectation is tomorrow below 529, we can see 526, 514 level. Jubilant Food. Jubilant Food, it is hovering around the midpoint 2756.5. So what we can expect tomorrow below 2733.7, we can see 2704, 2686 and 2660, 2652.5 level. Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma, it is in the morning taken the support with the square number 576. It had a pullback move of 10 rupees. Again came down. It broken the square number. It came down. It tried to pull back again, but it's unable to withstand above the square number 576. My expectation is tomorrow below 570.6 for 5 minutes close. We can see 567, 555.15 and 552.5 level. Wipro. Wipro in the morning taken the support with the square number 441 and it given a big move of 10 rupees and again it fallen vertically and it is just closed below our reference price of 444.55. My expectation is tomorrow below 440.45. We can see 434 and 430 and 423.7 level for tomorrow. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, it is useful for your trading, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. If you made profit with my levels, please comment on the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for your time. And also I want to convey uh, one more information that I have created the series of videos for the entire price action and technical analysis course. I am uploading one by one, and today I have uploaded the support and resistance videos. You can have a look, and it will useful for your trading for sure, I believe. Thanks, thanks a lot once again, and see you again for tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.